Have you ever worked before? Yes, I worked part-time last summer. I helped at a small coffee shop near my house. I served drinks and cleaned the tables. The job was not easy, but I learned a lot and met many nice people. I felt happy and proud because I could earn my own money and help my parents.
Have you ever worked before?
Yes, I have.
When did you work?
Last summer.
What kind of job did you do?
I worked at a coffee shop.
Where was the coffee shop?
Near my house.
What did you do there?
I served drinks and cleaned tables.
Was the job easy or hard?
It was not easy.
What did you learn from the job?
I learned a lot and met nice people.
How did you feel about that job?
I felt happy and proud
Why did you feel proud?
because I could earn money and help my parents.